Hello and welcome back to AI application development using Azure and OpenAI. In this part, I'm going to talk about a special library which I'm going to use to build the web interface. It's known as Streamlit. So it's a little intro to the Streamlit library. And then we will use that code which we have written in the Python notebook to launch that Streamlit interface for user interactivity. Right. Let's dive into the demo machine. And let me go back to my machine where I was writing the code. I know that there was a library which I added in my library list. So let me close this environment variable and then let me create a new file. So I will say that customer.py. Okay, we'll use it for later purpose, but let me use how easy the Streamlit library is. So if I say import Streamlit as st and I say st, the title customer information maybe, and then I will say that st dot write, enter your customer information below, and then I say st dot button, submit. Let's see how it looks like. Now to run this Streamlit app, unlike other Python where you say python.py, so it is not going to run that. We need a terminal. So we'll clean it up. And I say Streamlit. There's a exe which comes in, run, and I will give the name of the file, customer.py. So there's a Streamlit. Sorry, spelling mistake. Streamlit. Okay. Now you can see that it's gonna go ahead and do a port mapping. It runs on port 8501, maps to that because I'm running in the GitHub repo. It gives me a public IP address. Otherwise, you can use the local host in the local development. So I click on this follow link and it opens, should open in my browser. Um, let's see how it looks like. Okay, let me run this one more time and use the pop-up to choose the open browser option. If I do that, then you can see that this is the page which is created, right? I just created a customer information, submit, click on submit. There's nothing happening, but this is the web interface. Very easy, very quick to build that. We'll use this simple web development technique, which comes as a Streamlit, to build our further code base. So we'll come back in the next video and take the necessary part of the code to build it up. Thank you very much.